In the vibrant heart of New York City lies a borough that resonates with the timeless melodies of a legendary voice. Queens, the largest and most diverse borough, has witnessed the rise of countless talents, shaping the cultural landscape of the city and beyond. As we reflect on the passing of the incomparable Tony Bennett, a native son of Queens, we embark on a journey through the streets and neighborhoods that inspired the music and the memories of this iconic crooner. Join us as we explore the borough that gave birth to a star, celebrated for its hidden gems, cultural richness, and the indelible mark it has left on the world of arts and entertainment. Welcome to the borough of Queens, where Tony Bennett's legacy and the spirit of creativity and harmony continue to echo in every corner. Steinway Village. Astoria, the very place where Tony Bennett was born on August 3, 1926, holds a special place in the borough's history and creative spirit. Not only did it nurture the musical talent of Bennett, but it also cradled the harmonies of another iconic legacy, Steinway Village. This charming neighborhood in Astoria was a company town built by the Steinway family for its employees. A village of country homes with city comforts that included a public school, firehouse, post office, churches, a company store, fire and police stations. More importantly, the Steinways were famous for their world-renowned pianos. Here, where the keys of inspiration were struck, Tony Bennett's voice and Steinway's symphonies echo through time. Taking a tour of the factory unveils the time-honored techniques that have cemented Steinway's name as an iconic symbol of American musical heritage since 1853. The Old Quaker Meeting House. Tucked away in the Flushing neighborhood of Queens lies one of New York State's oldest hidden gems, the Quaker Meeting House. It is one of the oldest extant religious structures in New York City, with its construction dating back to 1694. The Meeting House played a pivotal role in the development of religious freedom in America, as it became a gathering place for Quakers seeking refuge from religious persecution. It has witnessed over 300 years of captivating history. Its unassuming Quaker charm, shingled walls, and steep roof harken back to medieval Dutch architecture that tells stories of religious freedom, the abolitionist movement, and early Quaker life. Today, the Quaker Meeting House stands as an historic landmark and a testament to the struggle for religious liberty. Bowne House. Also located in Flushing is the Bowne House, an historic landmark and one of the oldest surviving houses in New York City, dating back to 1661. This captivating hidden gem of Queens boasts a unique blend of Anglo-Dutch architecture that belonged to John Bowne, an early advocate for religious freedom. Today, the Bowne House serves as a museum, offering guided tours that provide insights into the history of religious freedom and the colonial period in New York. Visitors will experience the fascinating history of the Bowne and Parsons families from the 17th to the 20th centuries. With an enchanting collection of furniture, decorative arts, costumes, rare books, and manuscripts, the collections tell stories of politics, society, and even the Underground Railroad. The Latimer House Museum. Another hidden gem located in Flushing is the Latimer House Museum, the former home of the African-American inventor and electrical pioneer who left an indelible mark in history with his groundbreaking contributions. The house is a Victorian-style residence that now serves as a museum highlighting Latimer's life, contributions to the field of science, and his work on inventions such as the carbon filament, a critical component in the development of the incandescent light bulb. He also worked alongside the likes of Alexander Graham Bell, Hiram Maxim, and Thomas Edison, and played a critical role in the development of the telephone. Though the house belonged to the Latimer family until 1963, it shifted to its current location in 1988. Today, the museum is a vibrant cultural institution dedicated to preserving Latimer's impact on science and technology. Visitors can explore the museum to learn about Latimer's achievements, as well as the history of African-American inventors and the impact of their innovations. Museum of the Moving Image. Raised on 33rd Street in Astoria, Tony Bennett's childhood home is a mere 2 miles away from the Museum of the Moving Image, a captivating cultural institution dedicated to film, television, and digital media. Its exhibitions showcase the evolution of visual storytelling, housing an extensive collection of artifacts related to the industry. The museum offers screenings, educational programs, and behind-the-scenes experiences, inspiring creativity and engaging with communities. Situated on the historic grounds of Astoria Studios, it holds a significant place in the history of American cinema. Notably, the Jim Henson exhibition that celebrates the legendary puppeteer's work and characters, adding to the museum's allure as a must-visit destination for film enthusiasts and media aficionados. Flushing Meadows Corona Park. Flushing Meadows Corona Park is an iconic urban oasis sprawling over 1,250 acres. It holds a significant place in history, having hosted two World's Fairs in 1939 and 1964. The park is home to several prominent landmarks, including the Unisphere, a colossal stainless steel globe symbolizing global unity. Visitors can explore the Queens Museum, housed within the historic New York City Pavilion from the 1939 World's Fair, featuring cultural exhibits and immersive installations. The park also boasts the Queens Botanical Garden, the Queens Zoo, and the New York Hall of Science. With meandering paths, lush landscapes, and recreational facilities, Flushing Meadows Corona Park offers a delightful escape for both locals and tourists, providing a harmonious blend of nature, history, and culture. As we celebrate the borough of Queens in honor of the iconic entertainer, Tony Bennett, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now, onto a favorite of Mr. Bennett's at number 7. Louis Armstrong House Museum. Tony Bennett's love for music was ignited by listening to the radio, where he was captivated by artists like Louis Armstrong. Today, the Louis Armstrong House Museum stands as a tribute to the jazz legend, preserving the very home where he lived with his wife, Lucille, for over 28 years. This historical landmark offers a glimpse into the personal life and artistic journey of Armstrong, transporting visitors to a bygone era filled with soulful melodies and the enduring legacy of one of the greatest musicians of all time. The museum offers guided tours daily, taking visitors on a 45-minute journey through each room filled with mementos, pictures, writings, and recordings that reveal the essence of Louis and Lucille. You can even listen to some of Armstrong's recorded conversations and music during the tour. This charming house is a must-visit for music lovers from all over the world. And if you're craving more of Armstrong's recordings, head to Queens College to delve into the full archives of one of the greatest musicians in history. Socrates Sculpture Park. Socrates Sculpture Park is a unique and innovative public art space located in the Long Island City neighborhood of Queens. Situated along the East River waterfront, the park spans 5 acres and showcases contemporary art installations and sculptures, making it an open-air museum accessible to all. Crafted by the visionary sculptor Mark de Severo in 1986, Socrates Sculpture Park is an enchanting art space that beckons artists to unleash their creativity, producing mesmerizing public artworks that defy conventions. The park's ever-changing landscape of sculptures and installations reflects the artist's responses to social, environmental, and political issues, creating thought-provoking and interactive displays that engage visitors on multiple levels. Socrates Sculpture Park provides an inspiring and tranquil setting for exploration, contemplation, and artistic expression, making it a must-visit destination for art enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Queens County Farm Museum. Located in the Queens neighborhood of Floral Park, the Queens County Farm Museum is a fascinating historical site and working farm that provides a unique glimpse into the borough's agricultural heritage. With roots dating back to the late 17th century, it is one of the oldest continually farmed sites in New York State. With a sprawling 47-acre tract of undisturbed farmland, it's a living testament to the city's agricultural roots. Historic farm buildings, a greenhouse complex, adorable livestock, and lush orchards all await your curious gaze. Visitors can partake in seasonal activities such as pumpkin picking and corn mazes, and explore the restored farm buildings, including the Adrian's farmhouse dating back to 1772. Queens County Farm is more than its storied past. It's a vibrant hub of learning and conversation about biodiversity, health, and climate change. It celebrates the rural traditions that have shaped the borough's history and provides a delightful experience for families, students, and nature enthusiasts. Queens Botanical Garden. Nestled at the corner of Flushing Meadows Corona Park, the Queens Botanical Garden is a hidden gem bursting with diverse plant life. What started as a 5-acre exhibit at the 1939 World's Fair has bloomed into a 39-acre oasis in the heart of bustling Flushing. You can still find remnants of its past, like the majestic blue Atlas cedars that frame the iconic tree gate sculpture at the entrance. The garden features themed landscapes, including the vibrant wedding garden, the serene woodland garden, or the busy bee garden, buzzing with life. Visitors can indulge the senses with a stroll along the fragrance walk, wander through meandering paths, discover native and international flora, and enjoy the seasonal blooms that paint the garden with ever-changing colors. With its immersive displays and tranquil ambiance, Queens Botanical Garden is a sanctuary that captivates nature lovers and cultivates a deeper appreciation for the natural world amidst the bustling cityscape. Addisleigh Park Historic District. For Tony Bennett, the very neighborhood of Astoria in Queens nurtured his musical dreams, setting him on a path to become an international jazz icon. Similarly, Addisleigh Park, another vibrant neighborhood in Queens, cradled the talents of numerous iconic entertainers who sought solace within its charming streets. Designated as a historic district in 2011, Addisleigh Park is a picturesque district and a significance reflected not only in the legendary jazz greats it once housed, such as Ella Fitzgerald, John Coltrane, Dizzy Gillespie, Lena Horne, Fats Waller, Roy Eldridge, and others, but also in the architectural splendor that graces its landscape. With a remarkable array of architectural styles, including Tudor Revival, Colonial Revival, and Mediterranean Revival to name a few, each home exudes its unique charm, reflecting the era when these jazz legends lived, creating an enchanting ambiance that leaves visitors in awe. As we bid farewell to our enchanting journey through the diverse borough of Queens, we are reminded of the rich tapestry of history, culture, and creativity that weaves this vibrant community together. From the melodious notes of Tony Bennett's early life to the harmonious legacy of Steinway Village, and the inspiring stories of innovators like Latimer and Louis Armstrong, Queens has left an indelible mark on the world. We invite you to continue exploring the wonders of Queens, a realm of diverse neighborhoods and vibrant communities, and uncover the tales of those who have called this remarkable borough home. If you enjoyed this immersive experience and want to see more captivating content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable odyssey through Queens, where the past and present unite in a symphony of life, art, and inspiration.